Hi, my name is Charlie Sokolowski, and in this video, I'll be walking through the first release version of my Quake multiplayer map, Sunken Fortress. In making this map, keeping everything in line with the theme was really important to me. The map is set within the ruins of a fortress with several crumbling towers and walkways surrounding a central excavation site. A big part of making sure the theme of the map came across clearly was having sculpted features that were textured to fit the idea of ruins. So you'll see on the upper level here that I have created some walls that appear to be like run down and destroyed. I used a cracked stone texture that really helps lend to that feeling of destruction. All but one of the towers have visible damage, and two of the walkways on the sides have fallen to the ground and basically have created ramps that players can move up and down. All of these features really kind of aid in creating the atmosphere I was going for, while also leading to interesting combat encounters for the players. Verticality is something that I wanted to focus on from a gameplay standpoint, and the multiple floors in the map really give players plenty of areas to explore during the match. The only tower that hasn't been destroyed has a gloomy interior and a staircase that leads to an upper floor. These tighter spaces lead to more close quarters combat and contrast nicely with the more open environment outside. One specific Quake feature I wanted to include in this map is teleportation, and these portals really help players get around the map quicker. You'll see they also give off like a strange purple glow, making them really stand out from the other lighting in the space, and kind of draws the player into them. The central area of the map didn't have a clear purpose for quite some time, but I settled on trying to push players to constantly move downward toward the middle. This is the only area where the rocket launcher can be obtained, and it also features a strange artifact in the center. It's actually made up of 4 separate portals, each leading to a different area of the map. So this kind of leads to some hectic maneuvers as players try to grab a rocket launcher and quickly escape before somebody else does the same thing and comes after them. Other pickups are placed throughout the map in a mostly symmetrical way because the map is mostly symmetrical with the placement of the towers and the walkways in that square shape. I have grenade launchers on the upper walkways so players can launch explosives down towards the center area, kind of making everything even more chaotic. The inside areas feature some of the more close range weapons like the lightning gun and the nail gun, just to fit that type of combat that you would find in that space. Ammo for each of the weapons are nearby where you pick them up, and there's plenty of it, so the action never stops because you run out of ammo. Overall, I'm really happy about the way the map turned out. My goal originally was to have this be a deathmatch map for 2 to 4 players, but because of the size, it could really work for larger match sizes, even like 4 to 8 players or more, without any kind of problem. Feel free to check out my GitHub for the project through the link below, and give the map a try if you'd like. Thanks for watching.